Okay,
Hello, teacher.
are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Việt, I'm from this school 4E and I am 12 years old.
What is your hobby and what kind of things are you interested in?
My favorite hobby is playing football and I'm really interested in watching football or watching sports.
Cool. Who's your favorite football team?
Manchester City.
Ooh, okay. Next one here. This is a picture. What is it a picture of?
There's a picture of virus.
Cool. And what do you know about viruses?
I think that viruses are extremely small things, even smaller than cells, which can cause the disease in plants, animals, and humans.
Nice. You mentioned that viruses are extremely small, which is true. Can we see viruses with our eyes?
We can see with our eye, but we can see the virus with the electron microscope.
We do that. Cool. Next one here. This is the influenza virus. What do you know about this virus?
The influenza virus is the virus that causes the disease called flu. Well, when we have flu, we could have some symptoms like dry cough, having a high temperature, or a runny nose.
And how does the flu virus get inside of us?
It can get inside of us by respiratory droplet or from a cut and a scrape.
And what can people do to prevent themselves from getting the flu?
They can wash their hands regularly, exercise, or stay hydrated.
Why is it important to exercise to not get the flu?
Because it's maintaining a good life, and it helps to prevent some disease.
Okay, nice. Next one here. Fighting viruses. How do our bodies protect us from viruses?
Because our bodies has a immune system to fight the virus. There is 5 main parts in our bodies that protect us from virus. First is the skin. The skin has a armor that could prevent the virus from infect the cells. The second is the nose hair, because some of the virus can get trapped in the nose hair. And next is the mucus. The mucus help to bring the virus back to the throat and then swallow it. And also some virus can be trapped in the slimy liquid. The fourth is the...
So you can backtrack a little bit. When you swallow a mucus that has a virus inside of it, where does it finish? In your
stomach.
In your stomach. And what's inside your stomach?
The virus can be destroyed by the stomach acid.
Yeah, and then there's something in your bloodstream.
It's the white cell.
Yes, sure.
The white cell can kill the virus and stop the virus from infect.
Sure. Next one here is the respiratory system. Before you label any of these things, what does the respiratory system allow you to do? What is it?
It allows us to breathe.
Sure. And do you know any of the different parts of the system?
I know 3 parts of the respiratory system. They are the trachea, the diaphragm, and the lungs.
Next one here is your circulatory system. And do you know any of the different parts here?
I know the veins, the arteries, the heart, the capillaries, and the blood that moves through those parts.
Nice. And here, do you know how the respiratory system and the circulatory system work together, starting with your nose?
First, that we breathe in the oxygen to the lungs by using our trachea. After that, the heart pumps the blood into the arteries, which then carry the oxygen to all of the cells in the body. So then the carbon dioxide need to get out, so the blood get it away. And finally the
blood is pumped to...
And finally the oxygen pumps back into our lungs and we breathe it out.
Sure. Alright, next one here is your opinions on sports. What is your opinion about sports and exercise, and how can it help people?
I think that doing exercise and playing sports can help people maintaining a healthy life because it can prevent us from some disease like high blood pressure or some stress. It can relieve stress.
It also helps for your immune system. You mentioned that you play football. Do you think you do enough exercise or you should do more?
I think that I do quite a lot, so I don't think that I need more exercise.
That's right. The last one here is this. How do you think people can live a healthy and a happy life?
As I said before, I think that people should exercise, stay hydrated, sleep for a good nap, or like eat healthy food.
That's it. We are finished. Very nice. Well done. Oh, thank you, sir.